shown different types of gajar ka halwa in the channel. All are equally tasty. Making it in the cooker saves time. At least once every winter I have to make the traditional gajar ka halwa. I love the traditional gajar ka halwa, though it takes more time. And my tip number 1 for this halwa is roast the carrots in ghee for at least 15 minutes. Roasting the gajar or carrots takes away the raw flavor of the carrots. Use only full fat milk. Full fat milk gives a nice creamy rich texture and taste to the halwa. I am adding only boiled milk. I have boiled the milk and condensed it to 3/4 of its size. Tip number 4 is add milk before adding sugar. Cook until the milk is totally absorbed. It took me 17 minutes. The milk has dried up. I am adding sugar. After adding sugar, the mixture now becomes watery. Wait for it to thicken and add Koya. Now stir for 3 minutes. Adding Koya or mawa is optional, but if you add it, it becomes more flavorful. And after this, all you have to do is garnish with cardamom powder and some fried raisins and nuts. That's it, you're done. Thank you.